Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. So friend, Lenovo launched the Tab P12 Pro Android tablet, which features a 12.6-inch big organic EL display, and when it will be available beginning 28 January. In addition, operating alone, it also works as a sub-display for Windows PCs that can be touch operated by using the wireless display support app. And friend, this is an excellent choice for presentation and video conference. And friend, additionally, it includes a keyboard with huge touchpad and stand cover, allowing to be utilized in a notebook PC fashion. And friend, additionally, the Lenovo Precision Pen 3 is included, which features 4096 levels of pen pressure detection and tilt detection function, enabling smooth pen input similar to writing on paper. And friend, the LCD screen has a resolution of 2560 into 1600 dots. The CPU is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. The memory is 8 GB. The storage is 256 GB, and the interface is USB 3.1 Type-C into 1, and there is microSD card slot into 1. And friend, it has a resolution of 10,000 pixels plus 13 million pixels. And friend, the network is equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And friend, the battery has a capacity of 10,200 mAh and a maximum runtime of around 17 hours. And friend, the external dimensions are 285.61 mm in width, 184.53 mm in depth, 5.63 mm in thickness, and friend, it weighs around 565 grams. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.